Bonjour et bienvenue. In this video, we will discuss about the vocabulary linked with the house. In French, la vocabulaire de la maison. Maison is house. La vocabulaire de la maison. La vocabulaire de la maison. So in this video, we will discuss some such vocabulary, means how to say roof, how to say stairs, balcony, lift, etc. in French. And I will also let you know some different types of room, how to say them in French, and also a proper grammatical sentence, how to use such vocabulary in proper phrase in French, of course. So let's begin with the outer part of the house, how to say them in French. First of all, the roof, how to say la toit, la toit. La toit is a roof. And the T is completely omitted as it is a final consonant letter in French. The final consonant letter is hardly to be pronounced. La toit. So that's why la toit. La toit. Now the next you can take is grenier. Le grenier. Le grenier. R is completely omitted. Le grenier. Grenier refers to attique. Attique is an area where we put some provisions and the other storage items like grains in the house. It is located under the roof. So grenier. Grenier is an attique. Next you can take is floor. First floor, second floor. So how to say floor? L'étage. L'étage. It is masculine in form. L'étage. L'étage. L'étage is a floor. Now if we have to say the first floor, how to say? Premier étage. Premier étage. Now if we have to say second floor, deuxième étage. Deuxième étage. Deuxième étage. First floor, second floor. Now if we have to say ground floor, so very interesting term is there. Ground floor, rez-de-chaussée. Rez-de-chaussée. Notice the Z in the first syllable is completely omitted. You need not to be pronounced. Rez-de-chaussée. Rez-de-chaussée. So you have to mix the two syllables together. Red. Rez-de-chaussée. Rez-de-chaussée refers to ground floor. Ground floor. What about the basement? Basement. So it is feminine in form. La cave. La cave. La cave. Cave is a basement. La cave. Now move on to the balcony. How to say balcony? Le balcon. Le balcon. Le balcon. As I already told you in some of my videos that if N comes in between or in the last, generally it takes the nasal sound. Here also it is also taking the nasal sound. Balcon. Balcon. Balcon is balcony. Now another term is, it's very tricky. How to say garage. Garage. Where we park our vehicles in house. La garage. Garage is an American pronunciation I am using in English. How to say it in French, though the spelling remains the same, but a slight difference in the pronunciation. So please notice garage, garage. In English, garage. In French, garage. In Hindi Phonetics, I have written that matra in the bracket. So the reason behind it, you have to stretch that first syllable little bit, but not more. Not ga. It is g. Garage. In English sound, it is garage. 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 So a slight difference make a point. So in French, garage. 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 So the next you can take is staircase or stairs. How to say stairs? L'escalier. L'escalier. Without an article, escalier. With an article, l'escalier. It is masculine in form. L'escalier. L'escalier is stairs. Now what about the lift? Is l'ascenseur. 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 L'ascenseur is a lift. L'ascenseur. L'ascenseur. Now move on to some different types of room. How to say living room and dining area, etc. So move on to the living room. How to say le salon. Le salon. Notice again N is taking the nasal sound. It is coming in the end. Le salon, living room. Next is dining area or a dining room. la salle à manger. La salle à manger, but in fluency you have to mix that preposition a with sala. La salle à manger, la salle à manger. Interestingly, manger refers to eat. It's a verb. Manger is a verb which means to eat. So here it becomes the noun salle à manger, which means dining room or a dining area. Next you can take is washroom. How to say bathroom or washroom? La salle de bain. La salle de bain. La salle de bain. Notice N is again taking the nasal sound. La salle de bain. Next you can take is guest room. How to say? La chambre d'amis. La chambre d'amis. Chambre refers to room. Chambre refers to room. La chambre d'amis. La chambre d'amis refers to guest room. Guest room. Now if you have to say how many rooms do you have in your house? How you frame a sentence? How many rooms do you have in your house? Combien de, beginning with combien de, referring to how many. Combien de chambres avez-vous dans votre maison? Combien de chambres avez-vous dans votre maison? How many rooms do you have in your house? Maison refers to house. In your house. So suppose the answer is there are 3 rooms in my house. Il y a 3 chambres dans ma maison. Il y a 3 chambres dans ma maison. Now the question for you. How many rooms do you have in your house? Combien de chambres avez-vous dans votre maison? You have to begin your answer with il y a. Il y a refers to there is and there are. Do write to me in the comment section the answer of this question. Combien de chambres avez-vous dans votre maison? So that's all for this video. If you like this video, so please do share it with French language learners and do subscribe the channel as well. So hope to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Au revoir.